Hello, welcome to La Excellence. Welcome to our prelims marathon session. In this session, we are going to discuss the important joint military exercises that are in news. We can expect one question from this topic. Now, let us start the discussion. The first important joint military exercise that is in news is Kavkaz 2020. India said it is not going to participate in this year's Kavkaz 2020, that's why it is in news. So, Shanghai Cooperation members are participants to this joint military exercise. This year's Kavkaz 2020 is to be held at the place called Orenburg region of Russia. But India said we are moving out of this because of India-China standoff. Kavkaz 2020 is between which countries? It is between Shanghai Cooperation member countries. The next important joint military exercise is Indra, India and Russia. This is a joint military exercise between India and Russia. For the year 2020, it is to be held near Strait of Malacca in the Andaman Sea region. Near the Strait of Malacca. This India and Russia joint navy exercise is to be held, and this began in 2003. Indra series of exercises began in 2003. Initially, it was a bilateral navy exercise, but from 2017 onwards, tri-service exercise was conducted. That means now Indra is a tri-service joint exercise. The next important joint military exercise is PASEX exercise between India and USA. This was recently held in near Andaman and Nicobar Islands in the year 2020. PASEX exercise is normally it's something like a drill, maritime drill. That's it. Passage exercise near Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Please remember, Andaman and Nicobar Islands are very near to this particular strait called Malacca Strait. Malacca Strait is called one of the important water channels or water straits across the world. This is also called as a choke point. Choke point means very, very important and sensitive point. If it is blocked, the trade across this particular strait gets impacted, and countries which are dependent upon this strait gets impacted. And India-USA combined PASEX exercise near Andaman and Nicobar Islands, especially near Malacca Strait, is one of the concerns for China. Remember PASEX, recently PASEX is held between India and USA, and PASEX is a general exercise. We have PASEX with Singapore. So likewise, with many navies, we conduct passage exercises or PASEX. The next important joint military exercise is Sampriti 9. That means this is the 9th edition of exercise, joint military exercise. It is between India and Bangladesh. For the year 2020, Sampriti exercise was held in Wumori area of Meghalaya. This exercise was held alternatively by both countries. That means in 2020, India held this exercise, and in 2021, Bangladesh is going to hold this particular exercise. Sampriti is between India and Bangladesh. The next important joint military exercise is exercise Indradhanush. This is the 5th edition of exercise Indradhanush. This is between Indian Air Force and Royal Air Force of United Kingdom, UK's Air Force and Indian Air Force combined joint military exercise for this year 2020. This was held at the place called Hindan area near Ghaziabad of Uttar Pradesh. The focus of this year's joint Air Force edition is base defense and force protection. This is the theme of this particular year's joint military exercise. Exercise Indradhanush, India, UK. The next important joint military exercise is Ajaya Warrior 2020. Again, this is also between India and United Kingdom. This was held in UK's Salisbury Plains in the year 2020. This exercise is also conducted alternatively in UK and India. See, this is a joint military exercise. We just discussed the Air Force exercise is Indradhanush, and Navy exercise is Konkan. Konkan exercise is between India and UK. Indradhanush is between India and UK. Ajay Warrior is also between India and UK. 3 variants. See, military is Ajay Warrior. Navy is Konkan, Air Force is Indradhanush. Please remember these carefully. The next important exercise is Milan exercise. Milan exercise is generally conducted in Indian Ocean region. Indian Ocean regions are participants to this particular joint military exercise. This is a military naval exercise. It was to be held in this year March, but due to coronavirus it got postponed. So this year's location is decided as Visakhapatnam, but as we just said, these joint military exercise got postponed. The next important joint military exercise is called Corpot. Corpot means coordinated patrol. Coordinated patrol. India has Corpot exercises with many countries, and Thailand is one of the important countries. This is between India and Thailand. Indo-Thai Corpot. This was held in the year 2019 near this place called Phuket in Thailand. Indian Navy ship Kesari and Indian Naval Maritime Patrol aircraft participated from Indian Navy side. This is a Indian Navy. This is coordinated patrolling in the Indian Ocean region. The next important military exercise is SIT military exercise. SIT Singapore, India, Thailand. SIT represents these three countries. In the year 2019, the joint military exercise was held near Andaman Sea. SIT MEX 19 is being organized by the Indian Navy, Royal Thailand Navy, and Republic of Singapore Navy. This is also important because Andaman Sea. Are you observing the trend? Yes, Andaman Sea has become strategically important area. Did you observe now? In the last 8 joint military exercises, we have seen the importance of Andaman Sea for Indian Ocean security. The next important joint military exercise is Exercise Maitri. Maitri is friendship. Indian Army, Royal Thailand Army. So this was held in 2019 in the state of Meghalaya. Exercise Maitri is an annual training event between India and Thailand, conducted since 2006. Since 2006 we have Exercise Maitri, and we are conducting them alternatively in India and Thailand. The next important joint military exercise is Yuddha Abhyas. Very, very important. Yuddha Abhyas. Yuddha Abhyas is a joint military exercise between Indian and USA Army. In the year 2019, it was held in Washington. Yuddha Abhyas 2019 is the 15th edition of the joint military exercise between the two countries. Yuddha Abhyas. Tiger Triumph is the next important joint military exercise. Tiger Triumph is also between India and USA. Tiger Triumph 2019. In the year 2019, this was held near Visakhapatnam and Kakinada coast in Andhra Pradesh. This is the first ever tri-service joint exercise between India and USA. But our Indra, India and Russia. Indra is a joint military exercise. Tri-service exercise was first held in 2017. 2 years later, that is in 2019, tri-service exercise, first ever tri-service exercise was held between India and USA. Tiger Triumph is the name of the exercise. Next, Exercise Malabar. Again, this is also between India and USA initially. Later, Japan has joined. Recently, Australia said, we are interested to join in this. And India said, we will consider your request. So, if Australia also joins these three countries, we already have an informal grouping called Quad. So, this can be a Quad military exercise if Australia joins this. So, this in the year 2019, it was held near Japan. So, in this joint military exercise, Malabar, this is a joint Navy exercise. Malabar exercise, indigenously designed and built Indian naval ships participated. INS Sahyadri, INS Kilton, these two participated in Malabar exercise, and this year 2020 Malabar exercise is going to be held in the eastern side of Indian Ocean, that is near Andaman Sea. Bay of Bengal and Andaman Sea, that is the region designated for Malabar Joint Navy exercises. Australia may be in this list of this year's joint military exercise. The next important joint military exercise is TSE NTR joint military exercise. If you observe the countries carefully, Russia, China, India, Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Tajikistan, Pakistan, Uzbekistan. Are these part of SCO? Yes, yes. So these are part of SCO. This was held in the year 2019 in Russia. Every year, Russia conducts major military exercises under four military commands. One is Vostok, East Zone, very, very important. Remember these names: Vostok, East Zone; Zapat, West Zone; TSE, NTR, Central Zone; Caucasus, South Zone. Recently, India said we are not going to participate in the South Zone Joint Military Exercise Caucasus. Vostok is a very, very important joint military exercise. Last year, Russia and China both have participated in this Vostok joint military exercise that is considered one of the world's largest joint military exercise. The next important joint military exercise is Nomadic Elephant. Nomadic Elephant is between India and Mongolia. In the year 2019, it was held in Baklo, Himachal Pradesh. It is considered as a counter-insurgency and counter-terrorism operation under United Nations mandate. Nomadic Elephant. Nomadic Elephant is between India and Mongolia. Next important joint military exercise is Exercise Shakti. Exercise Shakti is between India and France. In the year 2019, it was held in the place called Rajasthan. This exercise also focuses on counter-terrorism in a semi-desert terrain. That's why this was held in Rajasthan. And there is this exercise called Exercise Varuna. Varuna is a joint navy exercise between India and France. Varuna. Joint military exercise or joint navy exercises between India and France. Exercise Shakti is army. Joint army exercise. In navy is Varuna. Varuna, very important. Next important joint military exercise is Garuda. Garuda 6. That means sixth edition of Garuda joint military exercise. This was held between India and French Air Forces in the year 2019. This was held in this place called Mount de Marsan of France. And India's Sukhoi 30 MKI fighters have participated from Indian side. Next important joint military exercise is Surya Kiran. Surya Kiran. Surya Kiran is a joint military exercise between India and Nepal. In the year 2019, it was held in Nepal. This is an annual event conducted alternatively in India and Nepal. Exercise Surya Kiran. And the next important joint military exercise is Slinex. Slinex, Sri Lanka, India. Sri Lanka, India joint military exercise. This was held in Visakhapatnam in the year 2019. This is to maintain the security of Indian Ocean region. Indian Ocean region, both countries, India and Sri Lanka, both have stake in Indian Ocean region and its security. That's why Slinex focuses on joint security of Indian Ocean region. Next important one is Jair al-Bhar. Jair al-Bhar is a joint military exercise between India and Qatar. In the year 2019, the first edition of Jair al-Bashar was conducted in the place called Doha in Qatar. This is the first edition of Jair al-Bhar. This is the joint army exercise. See, with the UAE, one of the important countries in the Arabian region, we have joint joint Air Force exercise that is called Desert Eagle. Desert Eagle is the joint Air Force exercise between India and UAE. Very, very important. Please remember that. Apart from these joint military exercises, we need to know few very important operations and missions conducted by our defense forces. First one is Operation Namaste. This was conducted by our Indian Army. It is an anti-COVID-19 campaign, Operation Namaste. And the second one is very, very important, Operation Samudra Setu. Operation Samudra Setu is an evacuation mission by Indian Navy. Indian Navy has evacuated people from various countries in the Indian Ocean region. And this is not the first time Indian Navy has evacuated people from various parts of the world. Operation Sukhon is from Beirut, Lebanon, Beirut. Operation Rahat is from Yemen. When the civil war started in Yemen, Indian Navy has evacuated many of our people from Yemen. Third important mission that is in use is Vande Bharat Mission. Vande Bharat Mission is the largest repatriation operation by Indian Air Force. We have evacuated people from various countries, Sri Lanka, Maldives, from many countries we have brought back our people. This is about this session on important joint military exercises. If you have any queries, questions with regard to it, please let us know in the comment section. Thank you very much. All the very best.